Nepal's first billionaire and also one of Asia's most prominent businessmen, Binod Chaudhary, launched his book Making It Big at the Taj Vivanta in Guwahati on Friday. The book, written in Chaudhary's own words, is about his inspiring journey from an 18-year-old boy to become one of the world's most popular and rich businessmen. At the launching event, Binod Chaudhary spoke about his connection with the Northeast and particularly Assam. He is the man behind the immensely popular YY noodles. More than 1 billion YY packets were sold in India alone, and worth mentioning is that Silchar and Shoigao in Assam are the manufacturing hubs of YY today. Binod Chaudhary is the president of the Chaudhary Group and deals in banking, insurance, finance and housing among others with India's Taj Group. And let me tell our viewers here, in 2013, Binod became the first Nepali entrepreneur to be listed as a dollar billionaire by Forbes. Former Meghalaya Governor R.S. Mushahari, former Meghalaya DGP Peter Henneman and academic Asha Kothari spoke about the book at the event as well.
I know Assam and Northeast for that matter for last 40 years when life was very tough. Because of insurgencies, etc. But never, even once, I felt that I do not want to do business in Assam or Northeast. Why? Because I think the problem never existed with the people here. The problem was, it was politics, which we all know. Anyway, leave that aside. And as I started to continue in my journey, I understood the situation better. Things started becoming much better. And today I think it's, if you ask me, if I have to choose one place anywhere in India to start a new venture, which will that place be? Probably Assam. Close to 50% of YY is produced and sold to all over India from Assam, from our plant in Chaigaon as well as in Silchar. People of Assam are, according to me, very industrial friendly, very investment friendly. Okay, they've always stood by our side. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to survive and grow. So it's fantastic, amazing.